Yeah, we have two kind of needle cover. This one is with protective cover, and the other one is without. I think these two types suitable for your tender. Now, let me show you how to use it. This is a blood collection needle, and this is the tubes. First step is remove of the cover. Then connect the blood needle with the cover. There's a screw in. Next step is remove of the cover. You can see the needle here. Then you can collect blood from the rim. The other side, the other needle side is into the tube here. It is suitable for all kinds of tubes. This one and other colors, this one. So you can see another type with the cover. Usage is similar. This cover is protect the needles after use. I will show you. Screw off the cap. Next step here, screw, and here. So after collection blood finished, this cover, it can protect the needle to injure people. The other side is the same, can connect to all kinds of tubes. You can see.